In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Typeform from start to finish. First, log into your Typeform account and head to your workspace. Look for the Create Typeform button. Sometimes it appears as a plus sign with Create Typeform, and click it. You'll see 3 ways to begin. Start from scratch gives you a blank canvas, perfect when you know exactly what you want and prefer full control. Use a template is great if you want a head start. You can pick a pre-designed layout for common use cases and then swap in your own wording. Create with AI lets you describe what you need in a quick prompt, and it will generate a basic structure you can refine. No matter which option you choose, remember that everything is editable later, so don't overthink this choice. Once the builder opens, Typeform adds your first question automatically. Click directly on that question to rewrite the text in your own words. Aim for clear, conversational language that helps people understand exactly what you're asking. If you need more questions, use the plus add content button or the small plus icon, depending on your view. When you add a question, choose a type from the side menu. Short text works well for brief answers like a name or one-line response. Multiple choice is ideal when you want respondents to pick from defined options. Yes, no keeps things fast for simple decisions. As you customize, you can change the question text and the answer choices to match your voice and intent. Mark a question as required if you must have that answer before people can continue. Required fields are useful for essentials, but use them sparingly to keep the experience friendly. You can enhance a question with images or videos to provide context or set the tone. Visuals can make a form more engaging and help clarify what you're asking. Keep files lightweight so the form loads quickly. To tailor the experience, set up logic jumps. Logic lets you guide people to different follow-up questions based on their answers, which keeps your form focused and respectful of their time. For example, if someone selects a particular option, you can skip them past sections that don't apply and send them to what matters next. As you build, duplicate questions to reuse structure without retyping, and delete anything you no longer need. Keep your wording consistent and your choices unambiguous. With these steps, you'll have a clean, intuitive Typeform ready for your audience.